In this video, we'll share how Capital One Slingshot's cost insights and custom tagging can help you show costs mapped back to lines of business. These insights include a total cost dashboard that breaks down different aspects of a Snowflake invoice based on cost attributes and custom categories. The total cost by tag visualization serves as a type of cost breakdown report, which allows admins to track and report on spend by object tags they define, like project or line of business. You can set a date range and tag group for each visualization and filter by any tag group of your choosing. By leveraging custom tagging in Slingshot, you can create a customizable report that breaks down your Snowflake bill based on your organization's needs without manually tracking each department or user. Check out our videos on custom tagging and cost insights to learn more about how Slingshot can help you monitor your spend and customize how you manage your Snowflake data to meet your business needs. Request a personalized demo today and learn how Slingshot helps you maximize your Snowflake investment.